The Aviation IL-76 and AN-12 are two of the most remarkable military and cargo transport aircraft ever built. Both these aircraft have played crucial roles in global aviation, serving in military, humanitarian, and commercial capacities. Their rugged designs, impressive payload capacities, and ability to operate in extreme conditions make them legendary in aviation history. These aircraft are often featured in YouTube videos showcasing their incredible capabilities, from rough landings on unpaved airstrips to daring rescue missions. The IL-76 and AN-12 have proven their reliability and endurance, making them favorites among aviation enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Aviation IL-76, also known as Candid by NATO, is a four-engine strategic airlifter designed in the Soviet Union during the late 1960s. It was developed to meet the needs of the Soviet Air Force for a heavy transport aircraft capable of operating in harsh conditions and remote locations. The IL-76 was designed with powerful Soloviev D30 kp turbofan engines, which provide significant thrust, allowing the aircraft to carry large payloads over long distances. Its high-wing design and robust landing gear enable it to land on unprepared runways, including dirt and grass fields, making it ideal for military and emergency operations. One of the most fascinating aspects of the IL-76 is its ability to carry oversized cargo. The aircraft features a rear loading ramp, which simplifies the process of loading and unloading heavy equipment, vehicles, and even helicopters. This feature is widely utilized in military operations, where rapid deployment of troops and machinery is crucial. Additionally, the IL-76 has been used extensively for humanitarian missions, delivering aid and supplies to disaster-stricken areas. Many YouTube videos capture the sheer power of this aircraft as it takes off with full loads, sometimes in extreme weather conditions. Viewers are often amazed at its short takeoff and landing capabilities, which allow it to operate in places where conventional transport aircraft cannot. Apart from its cargo-carrying capabilities, the IL-76 has also been modified for various special missions. Some variants are equipped for aerial firefighting, capable of carrying massive amounts of water to combat wildfires. Others are converted into aerial refueling tankers, electronic warfare platforms, or airborne hospitals. The IL-76 has also been used in scientific research, including zero-gravity training flights. Its versatility has contributed to its long service life, with numerous modernized versions still in operation today. The AN-12, another legendary Soviet aircraft, is often compared to the American C-130 Hercules due to its similar design and functionality. Developed in the 1950s, the AN-12 was designed to provide the Soviet Air Force with a tactical airlifter capable of carrying both troops and cargo. It features four turboprop engines, which give it a distinct roaring sound that aviation enthusiasts love. The aircraft's high-wing configuration and rugged construction enable it to operate from unpaved airstrips, making it an essential asset in military and civilian transport roles. Like the IL-76, the AN-12 has a rear cargo ramp, allowing for easy loading and unloading of vehicles, equipment, and supplies. It has been widely used in military operations, particularly for paratrooper drops and rapid troop deployment. Some YouTube videos showcase thrilling airborne operations where the AN-12 drops paratroopers from its rear ramp in synchronized formations. These scenes highlight the aircraft's reliability and precision in airborne assault missions. The AN-12 has also gained a reputation for its ability to operate in extreme weather conditions. Whether flying in icy Arctic environments or the scorching deserts, the aircraft has proven its durability. Many videos capture the AN-12 landing on frozen runways, demonstrating its robust landing gear and powerful braking system. In remote regions, where infrastructure is minimal, the AN-12 remains one of the few aircraft capable of delivering essential goods and services. In addition to military use, the AN-12 has been widely adopted by civilian operators for cargo transport. Its relatively low operational costs and ability to carry substantial payloads make it an attractive choice for freight companies. Some operators have even converted the aircraft into flying laboratories for scientific research. Over the years, various upgraded versions of the AN-12 have been developed, incorporating modern avionics and improved safety features. One of the most exciting aspects of both the IL-76 and AN-12 is their presence in air shows and special events. Spectators are often thrilled to see these massive aircraft perform low passes, steep climbs, and tactical maneuvers that seem impossible for their size. YouTube is filled with videos of these aircraft executing breathtaking landings in difficult terrain, showcasing the skill of their pilots. Many aviation enthusiasts appreciate the raw power of the IL-76's turbofan engines and the distinct sound of the AN-12's turboprops. Over the years, the IL-76 and AN-12 have been involved in numerous daring missions that have further cemented their legendary status. From delivering urgent medical supplies to war zones to evacuating civilians from disaster areas, these aircraft have played vital roles in global operations. Their ability to carry out such missions under challenging circumstances has made them indispensable to both military and humanitarian organizations. The ruggedness of these aircraft also means they have been involved in some incredible survival stories. There are documented cases of IL-76 and AN-12 aircraft surviving emergency landings in hostile environments, with their crews managing to bring them down safely despite severe mechanical failures. These stories add to the mystique surrounding these aircraft, making them subjects of fascination in aviation communities. Despite their age, both the IL-76 and AN-12 continue to serve in various roles across the world. Modernized versions of the IL-76, such as the IL-76 MD-90A, feature advanced avionics, more efficient engines, and improved cargo handling systems. These upgrades ensure that the aircraft remains relevant in the 21st century. Similarly, while production of the AN-12 has ceased, many units are still operational, thanks to extensive maintenance and periodic upgrades. In recent years, there have been discussions about replacing these aircraft with newer models. However, their unmatched capabilities and cost-effectiveness mean they are likely to remain in service for years to come. Many air forces and cargo operators continue to rely on them due to their proven track record and ability to handle extreme conditions. For aviation enthusiasts, YouTube remains one of the best platforms to witness the power and versatility of these aircraft, whether it's an IL-76 making a dramatic short-field landing or an AN-12 roaring through the sky with its unmistakable sound. These aircraft never fail to impress. Videos showcasing their performance, history, and real-world missions continue to attract millions of viewers, highlighting the enduring legacy of these Soviet-era giants. Ultimately, the Aviation IL-76 and AN-12 are more than just transport aircraft. They are symbols of resilience, engineering excellence, and operational reliability. Their ability to perform in the most challenging environments has made them legendary in the world of aviation. Whether serving in military operations, humanitarian missions, or commercial transport, these aircraft continue to make history, capturing the imagination of aviation fans worldwide.